Ilang beses ka na bang nabagsak sa client matching? Wait, don't skip. Tapusin mo 'tong video na 'to. Kung bago ka sa aking channel, my name is Edge, and welcome to my world. Dati, nawawalan ako ng pag-asa kasi imagine 17 client interviews I failed. Gusto mo ng tips? Panoorin mo 'tong video na 'to. Yung feeling na ready ka naman, may skills ka, nag-training ka, pero pagkaharap mo sa interviewer, nga. At mas masakit kung yung batchmate mo ay na-hired in day 1, saklap. Tapos after ng interview maririnig mo yung classic na line na, "We're sorry, we, decided to hire this person." Pero ito na nga ang plot twist, hindi mo na kailangang dagdagan ang skills mo. Kailangan mo ay presence. Una, ayusin mo ang opening skills mo. Hindi ma-excite ang client, interviewer mo kung gagamitin mo yung classic like, "Hi, my name is." Go straight to the point. Like sabihin mo na lang yung value na pwede mo ma-provide sa kanya. For example, I help busy professionals stay organized so that they can do or can focus on real work. Short, clear, pasok, tisok. Kailangan mo ng maging human sounding, hindi scripted. Number 2, don't be robotic or scripted. Pwede ka namang mag-prepare, mag-research ng mga questions and answers through ChatGPT. Pero make sure na hindi mo siya binabasa sa screen mo or parang teleprompter because na-notice nila yon. So, clients are buying your confidence more than your resume. Number 3, gamitin mo ang story format. Imbes na sabihin mong I did email management, gawin mong yung previous, client ko dati ay sobrang sabog yung inbox niya. Pero nung, I manage his inbox, naging manageable na yung daily load niya. So, gano'n sila, magkakaroon ng idea how you can help them ease, the burden. And of course, energy. Match your client's energy. Dapat hindi ka robotic, hindi ka like kinakabahan, hindi ka, don't show na you're not interested or something. Kung nandito ka pa, ibig sabihin, ikaw ay isa sa mga taong ayaw ma-stuck sa almost tired. Kasi hindi ka kulang, hindi ka late bloomer, hindi ka malas. You just need to bear in mind kung gaano ka ka-capable kung hindi ka kinakabahan. And that's good. Kung gusto mo ng ganitong mga breakdowns, diretsahan, no sugarcoating, hit subscribe. Every video will help you get one step closer sa version mo ng confident, calm, at hindi na natatakot sa interview sa client matching. Again, my name is Edge. This is my world. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next.